Hey guys, welcome to another video on Living Water Stream, and today I'm just unboxing these blank Collies so you could customize them. They're just white, and I'm unboxing them right now. It came with 5, and yeah, and it did come with some accessories, and you will see me painting one today, and there will be separate videos of me painting others. So it came with these 3 collars, 2 pink ones and a yellow one, and 2 bones, a pink one and a yellow one. And here I'm just taking out of their package. They're not real, obviously. They're fake LPS. They got white peg. So yeah, but they're still really cute. I'm getting into customizing, so yeah, that's fun. I'm getting better each time. So I just decided to get some because it just seems really fun to do it. And I really like how it turned out, the one I painted today. So yeah. So here I'm just showing you guys how they look like. They don't have a magnet. They just have a hole on the bottom. So yeah, they came in these baggies, and yeah, so yeah, and if you're wondering where I got these online on Amazon. So if you guys want to go check the shop out, it's really nice. They sell Great Danes, short hair cats, dachshund, puppies, kittens, and it's really nice. And I got these Collies. So this is everything I got. So yeah, on to the time lapse. So this is me after the time lapse. So I just want to show you the LPS and how it turned out. So I'm keeping them in these baggies so they don't get dirty or anything. I just did one today, and this is how he turned out. I think he turned out super cute for my first one, and I did search up some tutorials before just how to get a smooth surface. Obviously the kind of blaze thing here looks kind of splotchy. The bottom's really but at least the front looks good. The black parts look really nice. I tried getting some inspiration from Google, and I think he turned out super cute, and I love him so much. So yeah, I hope you guys could see him in videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember to subscribe, like, and remember, God loves you very much. Bye.